So I just got done working out. I had this thought pop in my head. As we work out, our muscles become more defined, more pronounced. If you keep at it, if you're doing like every once a week, you're not getting anywhere. If you're doing like every day for like weeks, you're getting somewhere. But a workout is kind of like our faith, where the more we work it out, the more we push our limits, the more our talents grow. Like my goal is to get to a reasonable weight and get a little built. I don't want to get like overly built, I don't want to be the Hulk. I want to be slightly built. I want to be like Christian, like is it Christian Bale? I think it's Christian Bale. Like a slightly jacked dude that's got a built frame. But the more we work our talents, the more we're noticed. The more how God will use us. The more we flaunt, not to flaunt, how much we work our talents and we use them for the glory of God, the more what am I saying? Like the more we get in the eye of God, like the more not recognition, but like how we do our ministry, it helps glorify God. And some people don't work it out. Like I'm pretty good at memorizing certain things. I could totally be better about memorizing stuff. Like high school proved it. I did memorize good some stuff and some stuff not so good. But other times I wouldn't know that crap like that. And it's something we all work at. Yeah. These vlogs are becoming more of my own thoughts. I want to get some more light stuff, more creative shoots and all that.